Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to configure email settings in DataNote. DataNote allows you to send a direct email and even you can send various business letters from it like sales invoice, quotation, purchase order, etc. Let's see how can we do that. First, log into your account. Click on your username from the top left corner and select My Profile. If you want to know how to update your profile, you can find the video link in the description box below. Click on Send Mail Settings. Enter your full email address and password. Now enter the SMTP server details. If you don't know your SMTP server details, please contact your service provider to obtain the details. You can design or paste your email signature here. Click on Submit to save the changes. Finally, click on Test Mail and wait for the confirmation pop-up. If there is any error, please check your email credentials and reconfirm the SMTP server details.